How to fit a U-brake like this. Like, got it right there. So what I'm gonna do is get your U-brake. If you got it, so what you do, first thing you're gonna do is open the packet, obviously. Then you're gonna put the right one on first, because the right one always goes underneath. And you're gonna put the left one on. Then you screw the Allen bolt up a little tiny bit. Then these green bits here, get a spanner, and then put the Allen key in there, and you twist it that way. So you've got your Allen key and then you twist it that way. And then with this side, you do it, get the Allen key, do the spanner, get it that way. Then this one, tighten it up, and then the rubber bits will start to hit there, right? And then all you got to do is you get a bit of wire like this, and you put these two bits on, the gold bits, tighten them up. But well, don't tighten them up yet, right? And then what you do is you cut it because it's quite long. Cut it to the length of when the two bits meet the rim, like so. And then obviously, then you can tighten these up, the gold bits, and then they'll strain. Then you cut, and then you put that on, like that. Then you cut the length of your wire, then that bit goes through there, and then the thread of it comes out onto this and the anchor bolt, and then the anchor bolt, then you shut the anchor bolt or tighten it up until you've got these bits alright, until you've got tightened up. You can do that after anyway, and then leave a bit loose on your cable, right? Before you put your cable on, right, to connect it to anything though, all you want to do is just open that up when it's just a brake lever, yeah, and then put the knobbly bit on the end of it into there, tighten that up, and then you got it there, then there, put a zip tie, follows it down, goes through there, comes out the back, like so. So thank you very much.